Okay, so I got this HySure Electric Dehumidifier. Once I got it, did a bit of research, was very simple product, just two buttons on the control panel and it's supposed to work. I bought this as broken for €5. Retail price is around 40 euros, I don't know, something like that. I took it out of the packaging, plugged in the original power adapter, which is a 12 volt, roughly 30 watt power adapter. Pressed the power button and nothing happened. However, I noticed some LEDs blinking on and off at the bottom of the unit. There are no LEDs on the top. All indicators are on the bottom, which is a bit strange. To explore more, this model has a water-full safety feature. Quite cool. So basically when the water tank fills up, a floating wall rises and mechanically presses a limit switch. So basically this switch tells the device that the tank is full and the user needs to remove and empty the water. With the power adapter investigation, I measured the output of the original power adapter. At first glance it showed 12 volts, which looked correct, but we will come back to this point later. I connected the dehumidifier to my bench power supply, set to 12 volts, and suddenly it worked. So this was confusing. Then I remember that I have a device specifically for testing adapters, batteries, and stuff like this. Once I connected the original adapter to it, the issue became obvious. So the adapter could not supply current, and all of a sudden the voltage from 12 volt was like 5 to 6 volts. Disconnected it again, checked again with multimeter, and then now we had 5 to 6 volts. This was a bit weird and I'm not sure what exactly triggered this, but yeah, something weird going on the power adapter. So for the final fix, so with my bench power supply it worked, so I thought, okay, I need to find a 12 volt, something that could provide around 2.6, 2.7 amps with 12 volt. I had this LED driver tested with my load tester to like around 2.9 amps, and it worked quite well. So I thought, okay, that's it, basically wrapped up quite nicely. Replaced the cable to a longer one, and yeah, the dehumidifier now works perfectly. The original adapter though isn't worth repairing, so I'll probably just reuse the cable. It's a decent one. And that's the fix. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next repair. Bye bye.